Good morning, students. Today in class 3 English subject NCRT, this is the name of the lesson, the enormous turnip we are going to study today. Okay, so you look at these pictures. By observing these pictures, you will just get the idea about the lesson. First, the man, then old woman, then a boy, then a girl. So what is this boy, man, old woman? Okay, so you must be excited about. Okay, this is the sequence. Okay, so let us start. What is the sequence we will study in the lesson? So this is the lesson, the enormous turnip. I will read the lesson, then I will explain you. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. "I want to pull up the enormous turnip," said the old man. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull the enormous turnip. An old woman came. "I want to pull up that enormous turnip," said the old man. "I will help you," said the old woman. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. A boy came. Yes, a boy came. "We want to pull up that enormous turnip," said the old woman. "I will help you," said the boy. The old man and the old woman and the boy pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. A girl came. "We want to pull up that enormous turnip," said the boy. "I will help you," said the girl. The old man and the old woman, okay, the girl came like this. The old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Up came the enormous turnip. "We will help you to eat the enormous turnip," said the boy. Said the old woman and the boy and the girl, and they did. Okay, so this is the reading of the lesson. Next, here are some new words: enormous, then turnip, old man, old woman, and pull. These are actually not new words. Old man and old woman. Many words you know. Okay, so then word meaning: enormous, extremely large. What is the meaning of enormous? Extremely large. Okay, so we will I will explain you the meaning of the lesson. Okay, yes, like this. So what happened that once upon a time an old man planted some turnip seeds. You can see the old man, he planted some turnip seeds, and after planting it, the turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. Why grew and grew came twice? Because to show grew and grew, to show the that it grow bigger and bigger. Okay, so grew and grew. Twice it came. Then "I want to pull up the enormous turnip," said the man, after uh, growing it. Okay, it is grown now, fully grown, and it is time to pull it up. And that's why that man said, "I want to pull up the enormous turnip." You just observe here in the first line, an old man is there, and here the old man is there. So why in the first it is an, and why here it is the? Because in the first line we didn't know about the man. Okay, that's why an old man is there. Now Here we know about the old man, that's why the is used. Okay, and the, and the, these are the articles. So how to use? When we know about it, then we use the, and when we don't know about the particular thing or particular person, then we have to use a or an. Next, the old man pulled and pulled. The old man, which old man? The old man which, who planted the turnip seeds, that old man. So that's why the word is used. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. Then what happened? An old woman came. Okay, yes, that's why in the beginning I told you to to concentrate on the sequence. Here an old woman came. I want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old man. The old man said to that old woman that I want to pull up this enormous turnip. I will help you, said the old woman. The old woman said that I will help you to pull it up. Okay. Here also an old woman came, and here said the old woman. So look at the difference. An old woman, we didn't know about that woman, so that's why an old woman, and then the old woman. Next, the old man and the old woman pulled and pulled. Now two are there, they are pulling, so but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. Okay, then a boy came. Yes, like this, a boy came. Then the old woman said, we want to pull up that enormous turnip. That enormous turnip, it was very, very big, large in size. So I will help you, said the boy. Then the old man and the old woman and the boy pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. A girl came. Now there are three, uh, old man, then old woman, and the boy, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. Now a girl came. Look at here, a girl came. Okay, and she said, the boy said, we want to pull up the enormous turnip. We means who? The old man, the old woman, and the boy. Okay, that's why we word is used. Then I will help you, said the girl. A girl came and said the girl. So I think it is clear to you why this article is changed. The old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Now there are four people. Okay, they pulled and pulled. Why again pulled and pulled? That means they tried again and again. So to show this the word is repeated, pulled and pulled. Up came the enormous turnip. The enormous turnip, it came up. Okay, we will help you to eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman and the boy and the girl. As this enormous turnip was um, planted, or seeds planted by the old man, so it belongs to him only. So this and the old woman, the boy, and the girl helped that old man to pull up that enormous turnip. So they were saying that we have pulled it up, now we will help you to eat the enormous turnip. And they did, and they did means they ate the enormous turnip. Okay, so here are some question answers. First question is that what did the old man plant? The answer is the old man planted some turnip seeds. Look at here, he planted turnip seeds, not enormous turnip. He didn't plant enormous turnip, he planted some turnip seeds. Next question, why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? It was difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip as it was enormous. Question 3, who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Answer is, all you know that the old man, the boy, and the girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Fourth question, who ate the enormous turnip? Here you have to include the old man. Okay, who ate? The old man, the old woman, the boy, and the girl ate the enormous turnip. So these are question answers. Now, one more activity is there. Name and draw 4 vegetables that have to be pulled out from the earth. Oh, there are some vegetables, some are leaves, some are roots, okay, some are stems. We eat different vegetables. So what you have to do here, you have to draw 4 vegetables that we pull out from the earth. Yes, here are some vegetables. You can draw any 4 of these: potato, turnip, white radish, red radish, arrowroot, carrot, beetroot. These all vegetables we pull up from the earth. So you have to draw any 4 of these here. Next activity is there. How many vegetables can you find in this maze? Draw a circle around each word. One has been done for you. So you have to complete this activity in textbook only. Okay, page number 29. Some vegetables are there in the maze. You'll find and just complete the work. Okay, it is very easy and you will enjoy. Yes, this is a let's write section. What you have to do here, you have to write how do you eat these vegetables, raw or cooked? Carrot, turnip, potato, onion, beans. If you eat raw and cooked both, okay, then you have to tick in the both the columns, okay, or you have to write yes or no. Okay, anyone you can do, either you can tick correct, okay, tick mark you can do, or you can write yes, raw yes, cooked yes, or raw no, cooked no. Next, name 4 vegetables you ate last week. Write their names here. Oh, do you remember which vegetables you ate? If you know, then write their names here. Okay, so complete this. Now I will suggest one more activity to you. It is dramatization of the lesson. So it is very interesting and um, interesting story. You just dramatize this. Dramatize means you have to enact this story. Okay, what you have to do, you have to play a role of, either you can it is one act play, it can be, or it can be uh, you can take help of your parents also. I will suggest, if parents are there, you parents please help the students to enact this story. You play the role of old man or old woman or a boy or a girl, anyone. Okay, so you enjoy this enacting the story. Okay. Then one more activity, or it is a part of grammar. So you have to write one or many. What we call one? Yes, we call it singular, and many plural. So one example is given: carrot, carrots. One carrot, many carrots. One turnip, many turnips. One onion, many onions. One potato, many potatoes. One tomato, many tomatoes. Yes, you have to complete this. It is a part of grammar. Singular, plural, or one, many. Yes, then vocabulary. Odd one out. Odd one out means you have to find the different word given, okay, given in the group of words. So first group of word is turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, carrot, brinjal. So clue is given to you. Clue is vegetables. So vegetables you have to find, and one word you have to find which is not a vegetable. Yes, it is sunflower. Next, cow, horse, goat, fox, kangaroo, melon. You have to find which is not animal. Clue is given animals. So which is not animal? Yes, all of you know that melon is not an animal. So you have to circle melon here. Then banyan, neem, people, mango, snake, apple. What is clue? Trees. Which is not tree? Yes, snake is not a tree. Rose, lily, sunflower, lotus, cauliflower. Cauliflower is not a flower, so you have to circle cauliflower. Okay, it is a flower, but we eat as a it is not a flower. We eat as vegetable. Then last one, peacock, parrot, lizard, crow, woodpecker, which is not a bird. Yes, lizard. So finish this activity. As I mentioned earlier, you can do these activities, draw different parts of the plant and name them. Then write the names of vegetables and identify which part of plant it is. For example, spinach leaves, cabbage leaves, potato root, etc. Write down the naming words in the story. Naming words, all of you know. Okay, you write down the naming words of this story. Write down the describing words in the story. From the story, you find out the describing words and write in your notebook. Last activity, as I mentioned earlier also, enacting the story. Parents, please help the students to enact this story. Okay, this is for today. Take care. Have a nice day.
My name is Pratham Kampar. Today we are presenting the story of the enormous turnip. The characters played are my brother, my cousin brother, my cousin sister, my mother, and myself. The narrator of the story is my brother. So let's start story.
Long time ago, in a small village, there lived an old man, and once he planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew and grew day by day, and it turned into an enormous turnip. The old man saw it.
Oh, what an enormous turnip! I want to pull it.
The old man tried and tried. But he was unable to pull out the enormous turnip. Then after some time, an old woman came.
Oh man, what happened?
I want to pull this enormous turnip.
I will help you to pull the turnip.
Yes.
Now the both of them tried, but they were unable to pull out the enormous turnip. Then after some time, the little boy came.
Hey boy, can you help us to pull the enormous turnip?
Okay, I will help you.
Then the three of them tried, but they were unable to pull out the enormous turnip. Then after some time, the little girl came.
We went to pull the enormous turnip.
Okay, I will help you.
Then lo and behold, they all pulled out the
Yay!
Thank you all.
Welcome. We will help you to eat
the
this enormous turnip.
Yes.
and they all did it. Moral of the story: if united we do any work, it is successful.
Thank you.
Thank you.